MarineMax, we don't sell boats, we sell boating. Boating changes lives. We want to create new memories for you and your family. Some of the best ones I have as a child were boating with my family and friends, and we hope to pass that on to you and yours.
Customers should know when they come to MarineMax Miami that they can feel 100% confident they're going to have the support at every stage of the process in acquiring a boat and ultimately enjoying that.
We understand the lifestyle. We want to make it easy and fun for you. We want to make sure that you venture out comfortably and feel secure every time you're out on the water. When purchasing a boat with MarineMax, you're not just purchasing it from a salesperson. You're purchasing it from a person that truly cares about the features and benefits that will help you and your family enjoy your boating to its fullest.
We actually live the culture. We spend time on the water. So you're buying into a network of people that know what they're doing and will show you how to have a good time on the water. Here in Miami, there's a lot of different type of boating, from day boating to weekend cruises to all kinds of trips you can do in the Bahamas. So here at MarineMax Miami, we have a boat that meets your needs.
What sets MarineMax apart is everything we have to offer our customers. We have finance and insurance, world-renowned service, parts department, as well as sales representing over 20 different manufacturers.
From the business office standpoint, we really are a one-stop shop for you. We are not only a boat dealer, but we really can close the gap for a customer. The customer doesn't have to go out and find financing, find insurance, find extended warranty. We do all that in-house. We get it to you quickly and accurately to make sure you have the best experience from beginning to closing on the boat.
At MarineMax, we really strive for service with education. Not only do we help repair their vessels, but we also educate the customer, so when they're driving the boat, they feel a lot more confident.
With Miami being such a melting pot of cultures, we make sure whether you're boating here and taking that boat overseas, or whether you're overseas and need service or parts, we're here to help.
We also offer preventative maintenance, repowers, electronic upgrades, everything else from bow to stern to keep the boat running. Using our MarineMax app, we can also schedule and perform all maintenance services at the vessel's home dock with no hassle to the owner or the captain.
So whether you're at home, your office, or even on vacation, all you have to do is click the app, open it up, schedule your appointment, and we'll be there to help you out.
We also offer Getaways, women on water courses, children on water courses. I have 2 small children of my own, and I always encourage them to come here and learn how to tie a line properly. You never know when you can use that extra hand.
Getaways allow our customers to experience exotic locations that they may not have the confidence otherwise to visit themselves. They use MarineMax's guidance and expertise to help them visit these places with their family, their friends, and create a real boating community in paradise.
From sales to finance to events to getaways, come experience what MarineMax Miami has to offer. We look forward to getting you on the water.